Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For this week video, I'm going to teach you how to cook my Filipino style squash soup. We need 50 ml coconut milk. I am using Coco Mama Fresh Gata, not sponsored. 500 grams squash. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Half to 1 tablespoon patis or fish sauce. Half a teaspoon kasubha or saffron. 4 cloves garlic minced. Salt. Black pepper. Vegetable peeler. Knife and chopping board. Ladle spoon. Pan. And a blender. Put a damp paper towel underneath your chopping board to prevent it from moving while you're chopping your squash. Peel and cut the squash. Remove the seeds using a spoon. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Roughly chop your squash. Preheat the pan. Toast the kasubha or saffron for a minute or two. In the same pan, put the cooking oil. Saute the minced garlic. Add the squash, add salt and black pepper. Add water. Add patis. Let it boil until the squash is tender. Let it cool for a minute. Put it in a blender. Blend it well. Put it back in a pan. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Add more patis according to your taste. Add the coconut milk, simmer for 5 minutes, serve with kasubha or saffron on top. Best served while hot, but you can also serve this as cold soup. There you have it, my Filipino-style squash soup.
If you are looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majima Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.
Maraming salamat, Cadet!